This is Dion Gleaton from the Times and Democrat, and I'm here with Mr. Lee Ott. He's Vice President of the Edisto Amateur Radio Society, and he is here with students from Orangeburg Christian Academy, and they will be communicating with astronauts from the International Space Station. So Mr. Ott is going to share with us a little bit about what he's informed the students about to prepare them for that particular event.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Again, as she said, I'm Lee Ott. I'm just an amateur radio operator, and we will be using that amateur radio service later this year to have the students here at Orangeburg Academy communicate with astronauts on board the space station. I'm inside the van of this that we will be using for the primary communications for the communications. I'll get it right. But today we did a presentation inside showing a different system, what we'll be using as a backup system, and I introduced to them the communications that involve the space station, including the 9 satellites that are up in the space that Mission Control uses to talk to the space station. Even showed them a picture of one of those satellites. Then I went into the different kinds of equipment necessary to do satellite communications, including the space communications with the astronauts, or when the astronauts are not on the air, how to use their radio equipment to communicate with other amateur radios around the area that you're located. So that was fun, and hopefully they learned about different ways to get into it, because I'm sitting in a very professional system. Mine is more of an entry-level system. So hopefully the students learn about different types of communications that takes place on the space station, how the astronauts communicate to just people on Earth like us, ham radio operators, and how we can communicate with them. I hope that's the big thing that they learned today. We brought them outside to show some field setup, and they got to see the mast go up and down. We don't have the antennas mounted on it today, and you can see even inside. Hopefully this shows up on your camera, where we showed them satellite tracking programs, controlling the radios, controlling my antenna inside. Phil will be doing the same thing with his setup out here, where it's computer controlled. It'll control the frequency of the transmitter, frequency of the receiver, frequency and position of the antenna, both in elevation and in azimuth.